Judy in the embroidery department, and today I'm going to show you a way to reduce overprocessing for your machine by reducing the number of color changes. If I look at the color changes on this document I have here in front of me, you see them all at the top of the screen, how many times it's switching back and forth to different colors. So what I'm going to do is come over to my color objects list and Control A, which will select all of the objects in the design. Right-click, go to Sequence, Optimize Color Changes. And it's taking me from 10 color changes down to 5. So now if we look at our color changes at the top of the screen, see how much simpler they are. That means the machines is only going to change from needle 7, needle 2, 7, 2, 3, 2, and that's it, and it's done. So what happened was when I put this on my machine, it reduced the overall sew time by 1 minute and 3 seconds. Thanks for watching.